Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Wahid and my group members are Mariam Khan and Osama Asif. The topic of our presentation is an in-depth analysis of Android and iOS applications. Android operating system has 72.5% market value and iOS operating system has 26.9% market value, being used by millions of users. Hence, forensic experts need to be prepared to analyze these operating systems during investigation and also consider their mobile app updates. During COVID pandemic, mobile apps usage trends shifted towards social networking and VoIP apps to facilitate work and study. But this has also led to social engineering attacks. In order to address these issues, researchers have conducted forensic analysis of 30 apps on Android 10 and iOS 13.1.1 with a focus on analysis of individual apps. Researchers started with analyzing a wide number of mobile applications and personal identifiable information and correlated them with the artifacts to ease mobile forensic investigation process. They compared their selected apps with the apps present in scholarly article and then considered the plaintext that might pose a certain security threat to users. After that, they validated their acquired evidence and discussed the utilized forensic tool. They used 5 steps methodology on 2 smartphones, an Android 10 and iPhone 13.3.1. In data population, data was used into both operating systems and then images were acquired. The both steps, that is data population and data acquisition, are very crucial as all investigation depends on them. Then these artifacts were analyzed using different open source tools. In validation, these artifacts were validated with previous apps that are present on scholarly article, and in the last stage, all the findings are reported in detail to be used in further court proceedings. In step 1, both phones were reset to factory setting and then wiped off. Android was acquired using Celebrate and iPhone using Magnet acquired. Then both phones were populated with user data. In step 2, each apps on both phones were examined both manually using file system view and automatically using artifacts view. This analysis focused on recovering artifacts such as encrypted or plain text message, GPS location, etc. In step 3, multiple commercial and open source tools were used to validate the recovered digital artifacts in .uft file format. This figure shows the validation steps in detail. This table shows a list of tools that were used for forensic analysis, both free and open source. This table shows the Android apps package paths of most popular social apps to relevant forensic data. This table shows a summary of recovered most popular Android apps. This table shows iOS apps with their paths and description. This table shows iOS apps package paths. iOS apps were also recovered. Their summary is as shown. This paper examined mobile apps on Android and iOS and then presented an in-depth mobile forensics and identified artifacts which may be useful for criminal case investigation using both autopsy and magnet axiom forensic tools, which are both free and open source. Data from this paper can be used for examining the data between multiple network protocols. Using all the mentioned techniques, all different operating systems must be examined. Also, new case scenarios involving malware or data manipulation techniques can be considered and applied. Multiple references have contributed to this presentation, which are shown. Thanks.